inside on a mood board that got me signed with a publisher house. Hi guys! As some of you know, then me and my daughter recently moved into a new apartment. And during that moving process, I found a lot of fun memories. Like this one. Swipe, swipe, swipe. What you see in these pictures is the mood board for my very first book that got me to sign my very first book contract with a publisher house. At the time I was 22 or 23 years old and I so wanted to be a writer. I went to at least 4 different meetings with publisher houses, and it was not before the last meeting that I had booked at the time that a publisher house finally wanted to sign me as their author based on a book idea. As you can tell from these pictures, then I had thought everything out. I knew how I wanted it to look, present itself. I knew my target group. I had considered how to PR for it in general and via social media and even via hashtags. I knew how to position myself as an author, and almost all of the visual design was well thought out and in place. Of course, then this is not how my book turned out 100%, not even 80%, but that doesn't matter. A dream starts with planting a seed that eventually, during making an effort, hard work, and a creative process, turns into reality. Beside this mood board, then I had also brought about 4 pages. My apartment is right in Copenhagen City and there are cars all the time. Beside this mood board, then I had also brought 4 pages, a synopsis that described the book idea, ways to sell it, potential influence to work with, and so on. I just wanted to show you. This looks like something a child could make, and still, because of the effort, it turned out as a published book that made and make a positive difference for young women. Good luck on your journey towards making your dreams into a reality. I really hope that this video added some value to you, and I really hope that you liked this video. If you did, then please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you have any further questions on this, then please don't hesitate to comment below. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.